Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Just wait for the police. Just wait for the police. Just get in your car, wait for the police. Call the police, wait for the police. That's it. You were wrong. You should have just let him in and let it go. Go back in your car. Just wait for the police.
We're not in the lane, sir. You moved right over. I was in the turning lane.
No, you put. All right, just
shut the f up. You have nothing to do with it.
All
Goodbye.
right, you know what? All right, goodbye.
Shut the f up.
Goodbye.
You have nothing to do with it.
Goodbye.
Absolutely nothing.
Goodbye. This is my card. I have on Dashcam. Okay, so you email me your information, and I'll send you the Dashcam if you need it. Okay.
Thank you.
I figured.
Bridges State Patrol, conversations audio, video recorded. Just interesting maneuvers.
I'm sorry.
Is there a reason for that?
I'm sorry.
Oh shit!
What?
Look at the guy behind me. He just lost a tire.
Holy shit! Should you?
They made all of this when they could have made these roads bigger. Watch this guy pull right out in front of me. Look at this! Holy shit! Oh my god!
The video is locked. Wi-Fi connected.
What are you doing?
Start recording.
You mad?
doing, man?
Really?
I promise I will. And you're only 5 years old? You are so smart for 5 years old. Wow. Are you off at school this week?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.